Welcome to viewers. This is Jahangir Alam from Tech Jahangir YouTube channel. Today I have created a new video how to analyze split plot design two-factor agricultural research data. If you are new my channel, please subscribe the channel, and already if you subscribe the channel, so thank you. Okay viewers, now we are going to how to analyze split plot design two-factor agricultural research data by using Statistics 10 software. Okay viewers, first we can see what are our design or layout. So we open this Word file. It is our title, effect of sowing times on baby corn varieties for yield and economic value, and that is two factorial experiment. Factor A, 4 sowing times, sowing times 1 15 October, sowing time 2 30 October, sowing time 3 15 November, and sowing time 4 30 November. And factor B, 5 varieties. Variety 1 by the hybrid maize 7, variety 2 by the hybrid Bhutta 8, variety 3 by the hybrid Bhutta 9, variety 4 by the hybrid Bhutta 10, and variety 5 by the hybrid Bhutta 11. And design split plot, application 3, total plot 16. It is our experimental layout. Now we can see how to manage or storage our data in Excel file. So open my Excel file. It is our Excel file. First application, second column sowing time, third column variety. It is in the application, 3 application, factor A sowing time, factor B variety, and what are those parameter. So it is our parameter: plant height, harvest, stem diameter, star staging, harvest initial, cob length, cover it with hugs, and fodder it. And so first manage we can variety column. Our 5 variety, so B1, B2, B3, B4, and B5. Our first variety 1 to 5, and we are all storage in sowing time is 1. Another 5 variety 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Also 5 variety storage in sowing time is 2. Another 5 by varieties storage in is sowing time 3. Another 5 varieties and sowing time storage is sowing time 4. All are replication 1, and replication 1 complete sowing time 1 and variety 1. It is data S1 V2 data S3 S1 S3, all are data. So it is our Excel file. This is replication 1, and this is replication 2, and the rest are replication 3. It is our Excel file complete. Now we can save this file, and now we can start how to analyze this data in using by statistical 10 software. Now we can open statistics 10 software and go to file menu, select this file menu, and go to import file. That is X import, and go to Excel file, because our data is stored in Excel file, so we can select Excel file, and our data is our Excel file data, so we can open this. Our data is imported. We can select all 60 pages data imported. So our all data is imported. Now we can analyze. First we can statistics menu and go to analysis of variance, and our design split plot. So it is our new box, a dependent variable, the application variable, main plot factor, subplot factor, and we can select replication. Is that go to replication variable, sowing time, go to main variable, and variety go for sub plot variable. It's all are dependent variable parameters, so we can select this and go to dependent variable and OK press. Our data analysis. It is split plot analysis variance table for plant height harvest. It is all of the plant height harvest, and we can see that is replication, degree of freedom, sums of square, mean of square, f value and probability value. Our swing time is a probability value 0.0935. It is more than 0.05, so it is non-significant, and variety is probability value 0.0006. It is significance variable and 1% level of significance. And interaction of swing time variety, it is 0.738. It is non-significant variable. We can see ground mean and two type of CD replication into swing 5.05. Its mean plot CD, and CD replication swing time variety, its mean 4.37. Its mean subplot CD. It is one of the ANOVA table, and that is second ANOVA table, that is third ANOVA table. So we can save this ANOVA table, and we can file name ANOVA and save this. And we can go for this dig deeper option for means comparisons. So select dig deeper options and go multiple comparisons and then all pairs comparisons, and this is another box. So swing time variety and swing time into variety, go to the next box, that is mean comparison box, and we cannot select LSD, we can select LSD value, not 30 HSD, and alpha level 0.05 means 5% level of significance. We can press OK. Our means comparison data analysis list all parent comparison test for plant height at harvest. It is for swing time and swing time parameter and means and their homogeneous group, and we can see critical value for comparison 6.9626. It for swing, it for LSD value for swing time, and another variety, all are variety and their means and their homogeneous group, and their LSD value or critical value for comparison 5.6179. LSD value for variety, and their interaction swing time into variety, their interaction mean value and the homogeneous group, and their 11.239 LSD value, the critical value for comparisons swing time into variety. It is our homogeneous group and their LSD value. We can found this analysis, and the second parameter stem diameter, same homogeneous group for swing time, variety and their interaction, and we can also found their LSD value. So it is our main comparisons analysis. Thank you.